Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and today we have got a chance to check out a range hood from IKTCH. So let's get cracking. All right, friends, so a few things I love. Corners that protect it on the way here. Just letting you know it's got a baffle filter, high airflow, powerful motor, and low noise operation. Inside the box, it is completely protected in styrofoam. With a little wiggling though, we can get that out. Notice it's almost built to do what I just did. And get access to the range hood. Right here we have got the screens. And on this side, we've got the remote and the manual. Friends, before we get started on the range hood, don't forget in the bottom of the packaging you will find the filter if you want to run this in a ductless fashion. A quick reminder, friends, always start by finding your range hood manual. Stop, read, test before installing. There are all kinds of tips in here that are going to help you be more successful with your brand new range hood. Alrighty, friends, so this is the IKTCH stainless steel with tempered glass range hood. I am loving the combination of this stainless steel and the black tempered glass. Now they have left us a note. The baffle filter is in here. This is a magnetic pull, and bingo, we can pull these out, and this is what you would use if you were setting yours up for ductless operation. Easily closes back up just like that. Of course, friends, we also have awesome LED lighting. I will tap those to light them up. As you can see, they get kind of bright and they're probably going to wreck the video, so I'm going to power them off. But just letting you know that they're there and they are awesome. Now, the other thing I want to show you with this is the hands-free operation. If you sweep across those sensors, boom, everything fires up. Now I'm going to shut off those lights again just because they are causing havoc with the video, but you do not ever have to touch this. You can just slide across as you never leave fingerprints on your range. How cool is that? Of course, it does also include a sweet remote control. Do remember you need to take out the little piece of paper, and then of course you will have complete control of your range hood. Once again, there's your power on. Your fan adjustments, that'll go all the way to high. That one shuts it off. There we're on level 1, and friends, I want to show you how this timer works. The first time you hit it, it is in 3-minute mode, and it's just going to count down. If I restart it, so I'm going to hit timer again, and I switch to a different number. This time I'm going to hit 9, and boom, it will run for 9 minutes after pressing the button. You can also use the up and down arrows to change the fan, and of course do not forget the light. You can power it on right there. How cool is that? So friends, there you have it, a sweet range hood from IKTCH. Totally can control it with your hands or a remote control. It can also set it up to be ductless. Friends, of course, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, friends, you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.